You are welcome back to another mind-blowing video. In today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to prepare teased and dry okra soup. Guys, stay tuned and enjoy this video. Thank you. So this was me pounding dry okra. We'll be needing it for the soup. Our fire was ready for the teaser, so we kept water on fire. I was checking to see if the dry okra was soft. It was. And now this is cassava flour. It is good because it makes the teaser starchy, all right? So now we added corn flour to water to mix it, so we can use it for the TZ, guys. So when the water was boiling, we added this particular paste to the water so we can get porridge out of it, because we'll be using porridge for the TZ. So this is us now stirring it nicely to make sure there are no lumps. So we boiled tomatoes to add it to the soup, so that the reason why we boiled it was because we wanted to reduce the sourness of it. And after boiling, we grinded it nicely for our soup, guys. Afterwards, our porridge was ready, so we had to fetch some of the porridge and put it aside so we can stir with the remaining porridge, and then later we can add bit by bit. So this was us adding the cassava flour to eat slowly, so that lambs do not come into the or lambs do not appear on the TZ. So yeah, you need skills, and at this point you need strength, because cassava is starch. So the whole TZ was very starchy. So if you do not use skills, you are gonna be tired. So she was hitting it really hard to make sure it is smoothing, guys. This food is nice, but sometimes the preparation is not easy. Yeah, but if you know the skills, it becomes easier. This is a very healthy food to eat, guys, because it is natural. Like I always preach, naturality. So we added our porridge to it. This is the stage that is difficult, because cassava is starchy. It is always difficult to mix it and get that smooth texture, okay? But my auntie did really great job. So this was us adding the last or the second part of the porridge, and she mixed it really well. I mean, this was very, very smooth, guys. So we were now scooping it in the water. This is how we preserve our teeth. You scoop it in the water, and each person removing his or her teeth. But I didn't want my own in water, so I told her to scoop my own in a bowl for me. So yeah, guys, she did. She scooped it in a bowl for me, and the rest of them in water. So this is actually my food she scooped there. All right, guys, if you ever eat this type of food, you are gonna be coming back for more, because this food is very, very delicious, easy to digest, very healthy. So yeah, after we're done, we kept palm oil on fire for the soup. So we made sure it was very hot. After it was very hot, we added our tomatoes. I mean, the tomatoes that we grinded. So guys, this is it. After you grind it nicely, you add it to the oil. So this was us adding it nicely to the oil for frying. Guys, this soup was amazing. It was very tasty and very delicious. So this is us adding dry pepper to it. Yeah, dry pepper, because Africa we like pepper. Okay, so now this is tomato paste. She would add tomato paste to the soup, so that at least the quantity will be matched for the rest of the preparation. So guys, that's that. You turn it nicely, keep turning so it doesn't burn. So this is us adding fried fish. She was like, okay, this fish is small, but we gotta use it. I was like, yes, auntie, whatever that you prepare with, we are gonna eat it. And that was what happened. So she poured the fried fish in the stew or the sauce, and she stirred it nicely and added her salt for the taste. Guys, I mean, this was nice. Like, this was really nice. So after everything, we washed the earthen bowl and kept inside. This is cube. She was adding inside the soup. And yeah, that was it, guys. I mean, this recipe, try to do it. So this is us adding water to it, okay, so that it will boil and we continue. So after pounding the okra, we didn't remove it from the mortar. This hair removing or scooping out of the mortar, because this is what we'll be using, guys. This is the dry okra we using. So guys, after the water was boiling, like really boiling nicely, okay, so we had to stir it and then get ready to add the dry okra to it. So at this point, she was dressing it. She made sure the rough ones were gone to one side, and she used the smooth one in the soup. So yeah, this is her putting the dry okra in the soup. Oh my god, at this point, guys, the aroma was top notch. I could not just wait to eat. So yeah, I mean, she kept adding for it, I mean, for her to get the texture that she wants, okay. So yeah, at this point there was no lambs, but it actually got to a point where there were lambs. I would We will show you guys how to solve that issue. So she didn't get the texture that she wanted, so she added more of the okra powder. But she realized that there were lambs, so she'll quickly remove it and sort it out, guys. I told you, like, foods in Africa, oh my god, so simple to prepare. So this her scooping the lambs out so she could actually mix it really well for the soup, because we don't want to be eating lambs as we are eating our teeth. So this is her mixing it really nicely so she can get that smooth texture, and then she adds it to the soup. I think she was done at this point, so she will now add it to the soup and mix it really well. You see? So guys, at this point our soup was almost ready. Oh my god, it was almost ready. I'm salivating now. So I was like, God, I'm hungry. So she served us, and I mean, we enjoyed. This is how we serve our food. Thank you guys for enjoying this video. God bless you.